naging magandang aral sa'yo ng pag-iipon through Kaiser's Long-Term Care Plan?
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa Kaiser dahil sa naging bahagi siya ng aking journey, especially in terms of bilang financial education, but also in terms of the benefits at blessings that comes along with it. So when I made the decision to make it part ng aking savings, ng investment years ago, it's because of the people that helped me as well, looking after me, guiding me. Tapos parang isipin mo, sakripisyo ito eh. Pero yun yung sinasabi na ang magtanim ay hindi biro. Pero kapag nagtanim ka, meron kang aanihin. And I believe that's also what Kaiser has provided to me. Very grateful because that also includes hindi lang yung mga innovations na ginagawa nila, but nandun yung assistance nila. That's something that I've experienced na kapag nangailangan ka ng tulong, kapag meron kang questions, they're just there for you. So I feel like we just need to look for institutions like this na talagang mapagkakatiwalaan mo. And for me, yung aking itinanim dati, meron ng harvest. And this is also my encouragement to people out there who are looking into checking Kaiser. Just get information, be educated, and definitely, hindi nyo po pagsisisihan. You save, you invest, and again, this is something